Hey everyone, it's Jenice Story here, founder of AJ's Infusions, and I'm thrilled to join you today to dive into the world of essential oils. At AJ's, we're all about empowering healthier, more vibrant lifestyles, and essential oils are an amazing way to do just that. Today, we'll explore how to use essential oils effectively, the amazing health benefits they bring, and how to pick the right ones. There's lots of confusion out there about essential oils, what's real, what works, how to use them beyond just the point of putting them in a diffuser. So I'm here to shed light on it all and help you incorporate these little bottles of wellness into your life with confidence. And stick around because I'll share the three essential oils that everyone should keep on hand, whether it's in your medicine cabinet or your bag, because you never know when you need them. Plus, I've got a special offer for you at the end of this episode you don't want to miss. Essential oils have been cherished for centuries, but in recent years, they've surged in popularity. You'll see them everywhere, but here's something you might not know. The essential oil industry isn't as regulated as you'd think. So here's a fun fact. Only 10% of what's in the bottle needs to match the label for it to claim that it's 100% pure. Shocking, right? That's why it's important to choose the oils that are truly pure, like the ones that we create at AJ's Infusions. And purity means that you're getting the full therapeutic benefits and avoiding those unwanted fillers. So my initial essential oil journey started with my son, who was dealing with frequent respiratory issues. I began using natural oil blends to support his wellness, and I quickly realized how powerful and effective these oils were in addressing his needs. And around that same time, I experienced my own struggles with migraines, and again, turned to the essential oils for relief. And it became clear to me how these oils really get to the root of the issues, providing natural solutions instead of just masking symptoms. At AJ's, we get our oils from reputable sources, ensuring that they meet the highest standards of quality, who also prioritize sustainable practices and ethical sourcing. And by choosing AJ's, you're supporting small scale growers and fair trade practices and a commitment to purity. It's a win-win, better products for you and better livelihoods for them. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use essential oils in your everyday life. So sure, diffusing oils is great for setting the mood or lifting your spirits, but there's so much more. You can apply them topically, letting them absorb directly into your bloodstream for targeted support. And if they are labeled safe for internal use, you can take them to address your health concerns from the inside out. Want a simple tip? Add a few drops of lavender to your pillow for a restful sleep. It's an easy, quick way to experience soothing benefits. Now let's talk about three essential oils that everyone should have. And these oils are not only staples in my routine, but they can be a game changer in yours too. So we have frankincense. Frankincense is known as the king of oils. Frankincense offers a wealth of benefits. It supports cellular health, reduces inflammation, and even promotes mental clarity by increasing oxygen flow to the brain. I use it daily in my skincare routine, and here's a bonus, it helps with anti-aging, and it smells wonderful. We have peppermint. Peppermint is a game changer when it comes to your respiratory support. It's invigorating. It has the cooling properties that helps clear the airways, reduce the sinus pressure, and promote deep, refreshing breaths. So whether you're preparing for a workout, stretching in yoga, or unwinding after a long day, peppermint essential oils help you breathe easy and feel revitalized. So here's a pro tip. Mix 2 to 3 drops with a carrier oil and then massage it into your temples to relieve headaches. I also like to put it behind my ears and also on my neck. We have lavender. This is a classic calming household staple. It's amazing for sleep. It soothes bug bites and even eases sunburns thanks to the natural antihistamine properties. So, whether you need to unwind or treat a minor irritation, lavender has you covered. These three oils are also in our signature lip butter scrub. Yep, you heard that right. We've blended the purest frankincense, peppermint, lavender into the scrub to give your lips the love and nourishment that they deserve. It's the perfect way to treat your lips while enjoying the therapeutic benefits of these powerful oils. So, in addition to these three oils, I also recommend keeping a bottle of tea tree oil for your skin and also lemon to help uplift your mood and clearing your mind. These essential oils really help balance your body, mind, and spirit. And at AJ's EO Infusions, we always say there's an oil for that. So whether you're facing physical, emotional, or even spiritual challenges, there's a natural solution waiting for you. Essential oils are a tool to shift your energy, raise your vibration, and live your best, most balanced life. If you're ready to dive in, I recommend starting with the basic kit, which we just talked about. Think of it as your wellness toolkit, just like you would stock your kitchen with salt and pepper. And because I believe in the power of wellness and natural self-care, I have a special offer for you. Head to our website at ajseoinfusions.com, and when you shop with us, you'll receive a free wellness guide to help you use your oils effectively. This guide will give you all the tips and tricks to feel confident in incorporating essential oils into your routine and making the most of their amazing benefits. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to hear how these oils transform your life. And remember, wellness is a journey and you're never alone on the path. So until next time, stay vibrant, stay balanced, and take care. Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for all notifications. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe at AJ's EO Infusions on YouTube. Shop now at ajseoinfusions.com and scan the QR code for our new website.